Hello and welcome to Imperial Distributors Canada Inc. online instructional video. With this video, you will learn how to log in. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact customer service. To log in, we suggest going through the IDCI website. Here, you will see Order Online and click the selected province you will be ordering from. If not, you may click either of the buttons below. This is the webpage you will next see. Here, you may enter your username and your password. If you are a single user, you may click Remember Me. If you have forgotten your password, you may click Forget Password, and an email will be sent to you with instructions. If you do not have any login information or could not log in altogether, you can click Contact Us or give customer service a call. Once you have logged in, you will see your customer or store name here and your user ID. You may seek any account information here. You may click onto the clinical and specialty website, or you can seek other features our web order site offers, such as a quick order, looking through our items through the different catalog under different categories. You may start an online return. You may seek any reports or inquiries through your account balances here, and other services such as Contact Us, delivery, and holiday schedules. Under our bulletin, you will see any important information from IDCI placed here, such as our updated holiday schedules and any delivery schedules. Once you have finished with our web order site, we suggest logging out. We thank you for watching this instructional video and we hope it was helpful.